Among the must-have survival gadgets, there are essential tools every man should carry to stay prepared for the unexpected. These gadgets are crafted with quality in mind, ensuring reliability when you need them most. Check out the links in the description for a closer look at these worthwhile products designed to give you peace of mind in any situation. Number 30. Waterdrop Filter Straw. Since access to clean water can be a challenge in outdoor or emergency situations, this portable filtration system offers a simple solution. With a 5-stage filtration process, it effectively removes impurities like dirt, sand, and chlorine, ensuring safe drinking water. The system includes a large capacity gravity-fed bag capable of holding 1.5 gallons of water, perfect for all-day hydration. Designed for easy use, the filter straw can be connected to both water bags and bottles. Number 29. Fire Starter Survival Tool. Having the right fire starter in your kit can make all the difference in an emergency. This all-in-one survival tool provides a fast and reliable way to start a fire, even in harsh conditions such as heavy rain or strong winds. With its innovative design, it includes everything you need: flint, striker, and a waterproof tinder wick, so you can get a controlled fire going with ease. It's simple to use, lasts for hours, and works even when wet. Number 28. SurviveX First Aid Kit. Despite the unpredictability of emergencies, this first aid kit ensures you're always ready for any situation. It equips you with professional grade supplies to handle everything from minor cuts to serious injuries. The kit includes innovative wound closure strips, offering a non-invasive quick solution for lacerations. With items organized in color-coded compartments, it provides easy access when every second matters. Mountable and MOICO compatible, it's perfect for your car, backpack, or camping gear. FSA and HSA approved. This kit is an essential tool. Number 27. OLIGHT Arkfeld Pro Flashlight. Along with providing a powerful 1300 lumen brightness, this versatile flashlight combines 3 light sources in one: white LED, UV, and a green beam, offering a higher UV intensity of 900 milliwatts. At 365 nanometers, it delivers more precise and professional lighting. A 5-level battery indicator ensures you always know when it's time to recharge. The flashlight is easy to operate with a simple circular selector to switch between modes. Number 26. GIRIAITUS 16-in-1 Multitool. This 16-in-1 multi-tool is a must-have for any adventurer, featuring an axe, hammer, pliers, knife, saw, screwdrivers, whistle, and fire starter. It's designed to tackle various tasks with ease. Made from high-quality stainless steel and nylon, it ensures durability and reliability in tough situations. Compact and portable, it comes with a strong carrying case, making it easy to keep on hand in the car or at home for emergencies. It's ideal for offering practical solutions in a convenient, space-saving design. Number 25. Headlamp Flashlight. In any dark situation, this rechargeable headlamp provides reliable illumination with its powerful LED lights. It features both white and red light modes, along with a motion sensor for easy operation. Simply wave your hand to turn it on or off. The headlamp is lightweight, weighing just 1.87 ounces, and has an adjustable headband to ensure a secure and comfortable fit. Waterproof and equipped with 8 modes, it's built for a variety of conditions, lasting up to 10 hours on a full charge. Number 24. Jetec Survival Reflective Mirror. Used in survival situations, this reflective signal mirror is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable acrylic, it's built to last, offering strong toughness and a clear reflective surface. Its compact size, 3 by 2 inches, makes it easy to carry, and it can be used for signaling over long distances, even on cloudy days or at night with available light. The protective film prevents scratches, and the included plastic case ensures easy storage and extra protection. Number 23. BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. This portable charger offers reliable power whenever you need it. With a 10,000 mAh capacity, it quickly charges devices like smartphones and tablets through USB-C or wireless charging. Its compact, lightweight design is perfect for carrying on the go, while its dual flashlights and solar panel make it ideal for camping or emergencies. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. A must-have tool for anyone seeking to stay connected in the wild, no matter the situation. Number 22. Wood burning camp stove. More than just a stove, this portable camping stove is a reliable tool for cooking in the wild. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to withstand both heavy weight and high heat. Its stable grid design offers a solid platform for cookware, while the cuboid shape ensures reliable support. Capable of burning various natural fuels like leaves and twigs, it brings a touch of wilderness cooking to any trip. Number 21. Mossy Oak Survival Hunting Knife. Just the tool you need for tough conditions, this 15-inch survival knife offers precision, with a sharp stainless steel blade making it ideal for camping, bushcraft, and survival situations. The 10-inch blade has excellent edge retention and rust resistance, while the rubber handle provides a secure grip for comfort during use. The knife comes with a heavy-duty nylon sheath for safe storage and easy carry. It also includes a fire starter and sharpener, ensuring you're ready for any challenge in the wild. Number 20. Survivor Filter Pro. When heading into the wild, this compact and lightweight water filter is the perfect solution for staying hydrated. Weighing just 12.8 ounces, it's easy to carry and use on camping trips or hikes. It quickly filters water at a rate of 500 milliliters per minute, allowing you to drink straight from any freshwater source. With a simple setup including tubes and a carrying case, it's an essential tool for any condition. Number 19. Gerber Impromptu Tactical Pen. This pen features a push-button mechanism for easy deployment of the ballpoint and a tempered steel tip for breaking glass in emergencies. Made from durable machined steel with Cerakote coating, it's built to last and includes a stainless steel pocket clip for easy carry. Compact and versatile, it fits easily into your pocket, making it ideal for work, school, or outdoor activities. With a Write in the Rain ink cartridge, it performs in all conditions. Make sure to tap the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you'll always get a heads up whenever something new and exciting comes your way. Number 18. LuminAID Solar Lantern. Even in the darkest situations, this solar-powered lantern provides reliable light with 75 lumens of LED brightness. It offers multiple settings, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The lantern is inflatable, collapsible, and waterproof, IP67, ensuring it's safe and durable for any environment. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or emergency preparedness, it's a must-have for various occasions, including outdoor parties and poolside fun. The long-lasting battery offers up to 24 hours of light when fully charged. Number 17. Raynic Emergency Radio. Never be caught off guard by bad weather with this portable emergency radio. Equipped with multiple charging options including solar, hand crank, and rechargeable battery, it ensures you'll have power when needed most. With AM, FM, SW, and NOAA bands, it provides reliable weather alerts and emergency warnings, especially crucial during storms or natural disasters. The radio features a large, easy-to-read LCD screen for tuning and monitoring battery levels, while the built-in flashlight and SOS alarm offer added security. Number 16. REXBETI Folding Saw. Beyond ordinary cutting tools, this folding saw stands out with its 11-inch long blade crafted from strong SK5 steel, making it reliable for dry wood tasks and outdoor use. The sharp, staggered teeth set at 7 teeth per inch slice through 6 to 7 inch thick branches smoothly. A rubber-coated polymer handle gives a firm hold, even in wet or cold conditions. Its foldable design adds convenience, making it a solid choice for tough activities. Number 15. High-powered binoculars. With a 168-yard viewing range at 1,000 yards, these upgraded binoculars deliver impressive detail through their 20 times zoom and 50mm lenses. The 26mm eyepiece suits natural eye spacing, reducing strain and providing clear visuals during extended sessions. Coated glass plus a BAK4 prism boosts brightness and sharpness. The smooth focus wheel allows swift adjustments, while the shock-resistant grip grants comfort and security. They serve adventure, from forest trails to evening stargazing, without slipping or causing discomfort for any explorer. Number 14. Grayl UltraPress Titanium Water Filter. This compact water purifier is an essential tool for any adventurer or traveler. Designed to make even the most unclean water safe to drink, it eliminates harmful bacteria, viruses, and protozoa. With a quick 10-second purification process, it filters out contaminants like microplastics, chemicals, and heavy metals. The user-friendly design requires no setup, batteries, or chemicals. Simply fill, press, and drink. When trekking through remote areas or exploring unfamiliar regions, this device ensures safe and reliable hydration, making it an indispensable addition to your gear. Number 13. 6-in-1 Pocket Knife Sharpener. Keeping edges ready in the wild, this compact tool handles 6 important tasks. It features coarse and fine slots for straight blades, a tapered diamond rod for serrations, and a groove for sharpening fish hooks. A built-in ferro rod helps start fires, while the loud whistle adds safety during emergencies. Lightweight and easy to carry, it's a smart pick for hunters or everyday users. Made with long-lasting materials, it maintains blade performance without wearing down, even after repeated use. Number 12. LcFun Waterproof Electric Lighter. Fitted with a sealed cover and locking clasp, this electric lighter stays functional in wet and windy conditions. It uses a rechargeable battery and charges fully in about an hour. No fuel needed. The dual arc design lights up quickly, while the paracord lanyard makes it easy to carry outdoors. Built from strong materials like zinc alloy and ABS, it holds up well in rough settings. A clever mix of design and use, it's a handy item. Number 11. OneTigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0. Tucked into natural surroundings with ease, this ultralight tent offers shelter for 2 without extra weight. Built from strong ripstop fabric, it holds up in wet weather with sealed seams and a 1,500mm water resistance rating. The front flap doubles as a porch or zips into a full enclosure. With solid stitching, durable zippers, and smart storage design, it's made for bushcraft, trekking, or simple campsite comfort. Number 10. MOICO Walkie Talkies. A compact pair built for outdoor challenges, these handheld radios support 22 channels and 99 privacy codes, allowing clear one-to-one or group contact. With a maximum talking range of 3 miles in open spaces, they offer decent reach depending on the surroundings. The built-in LED light serves as both a torch and emergency flash, while the backlit display helps in low light. A belt clip keeps it handy, and the tough build handles accidental drops with ease. Number 9. Spopal Portable Shower. Comes with a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery. This lightweight outdoor shower runs for nearly 2.5 hours. The smart LED screen shows remaining charge and water temperature between 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, helping prevent discomfort. Featuring 4 spray types, water flow can be adjusted easily using a simple switch. Its quiet motor stays steady underwater, while the silicone-covered port keeps moisture out during charging. A built-in filter helps keep water cleaner for sensitive skin. Number 8. RHINO USA Folding Survival Shovel. Suitable for unpredictable terrain, this compact digging tool combines a shovel, pickaxe, and hoe in one solid build. Crafted from carbon steel with a black finish, it holds up well against rust and rough use. The blade stretches 8.2 inches, while the full handle reaches 22 inches when extended and folds down to just 9 by 6 inches for easier packing. Weighing only 2 pounds, it's simple to carry and store. Number 7. Turn-on Sport Orienteering Compass. An essential item for navigation, this lightweight handheld compass features a 360-degree rotating bezel, a clear acrylic base plate, and a fast-moving magnetic needle inside a liquid-filled capsule. A built-in magnifier helps in reading detailed maps, while the 1 to 24,000 scale aids in route accuracy. Compact and easy to carry, it suits both kids and adults during hiking or field activities. Designed for clear direction and dependable use, it's a smart tool for nature exploration or emergencies. Number 6. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Rather than relying on bottled water outdoors, this compact filter offers a smart way to stay safe during hiking or emergencies. It blocks nearly all bacteria, parasites, and tiny plastics, using a membrane that filters down to 0.2 microns. With no need for electricity or batteries, it's ideal for remote areas. One unit cleans up to 4,000 liters, making it useful for travel or survival bags. Made from BPA-free material, it also supports clean water programs for children in need. Number 5. Maxpedition Gerfalcon Backpack. Geared for intense use, this 36-liter backpack handles rough conditions with ease. Made from thick ballistic fabric and treated to resist water and wear. The large main space, hydration sleeve, and internal pockets keep items sorted. A detachable lower pouch becomes a handy waist pack. Padded straps, sternum support, and waist belt improve comfort during long use. With a modular setup for gear add-ons, strong zippers, and precise stitching, it's built for organized carry. Number 4. NACD Weather Emergency Radio. Lasting through uncertain conditions, this compact device supports hand crank, solar, battery, and USB charging, ensuring uninterrupted power in emergencies. Featuring a 4,000 mAh battery, it runs up to 30 hours and includes 3 built-in cables for various gadgets. A MFM and NOAA access keeps users updated, while a loud SOS alarm and red light offer alerts when needed. A front flashlight, reading lamp, and internal light ensure visibility indoors and out. Number 3. Debatu Fireproof Cloak. This oversized safety cloak made of strong fiberglass and silicone shields against heat during fire-related emergencies. Measuring 72 by 70 inches, it offers full-body coverage and can double as a protective blanket. Built to resist temperatures up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit, it helps reduce harm in dangerous conditions. Its reflective stripes improve visibility in low light, making nighttime rescue easier. Foldable and easy to store. It doesn't expire if kept intact. Number 2. Tapyrus Spork Tactical. Neatly designed for outdoor use, this compact tool combines a spoon, fork, sharp-edged blade, and a fire-starting rod in one solid piece. Made with BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, it holds up well during tough conditions. A built-in ferro rod helps start fires easily, making it useful in remote areas. Weighing only 2 ounces, it's light to carry and comes with a pouch and paracord for added ease. Number 1. Bracelet Window Breaker. This compact safety wristband holds a powerful tool for emergencies. Equipped with a tough tungsten striker bead, it can shatter tempered side windows with just a slight wrist motion. Built into an elastic strap, it stays light and adjustable, making it easy to wear without drawing attention. A hidden handcuff key designed to handle locks with advanced security features adds extra function during urgent situations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links below for more details and extras.